Hey guys, so today we are in Hollywood, LA. For today's destination, we are gonna go to the Funko Pop Museum. The line is super long right now, so we're just gonna grab a bite to eat. We're at Shake Shack, as you can see. Here's my burger. Let's get some lunch right now, and then we'll check out the Pop Museum later. Alright, it's 12:15 right now. Line is still super long, as you can see. We'll see what time we can get in. Hopefully before 1. Alright, we are almost there. It's 1:15 right now, so about 1 hour. Super close. We are next. Look, next in line. Here's Groot. Oh, here's Spider-Man. Here's Spider-Man. That's really cool. I'm moving over to Black Panther. Oh my god, Black Panther. Alright. It's the Black Panther right here. Wakanda forever. Alright, we are in here, guys. Check out this Captain America. So Funko Pop is pretty new for me. I just started collecting it. There's some exclusive ones in here that we're gonna check out today. But my brother is a guru at Funko Pop. He can explain to you everything about what's rare, what's not. So I'll link his channel here so you can check it out when you have a chance to. So let's check out what else is exclusive here. Llama. Oh, we got Apex. Alright, Star Wars. 3CPO, R2D2. Oh, Boba Fett. Alright, so parking was pretty expensive. It's about $20. But if you buy something here for $20, they do validate. So we're just gonna buy something today. Stranger Things. 랑 여기 페이. 원. 무슈. Alright, we spent about 2 hours at the Funko Museum. It was very interesting, very fun. I quite enjoyed it. So here's our loot for the day. Nice bag. Show you guys what I got today. First we got the One Piece Zoro. I'm a big One Piece fan. Alright, so that's number 1. Number 2. This is the movie Mulan, the Yoi-Fei version. So I was just here a couple months ago for the movie premiere. Very cool, got to see Yoi-Fei in person and just, you know, supporting the cast. So this is really cool. It'll be really, even more cool if I could got this signed. Alright, last one. This one's really cute. It's Pushing. Pushing's a cat. And this one's eating pizza. Super, super cute. So that's the loot for today. That's it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we will see you next time.